guys think dark skin girls can wear Korean skincare products to unbox with me? Okay, wait, I tell you guys the backstory and how I got this skincare product. This was a gift from a skincare brand, the Beauty of Joseon skincare brand. Beauty of Joseon is a Korean skincare brand. I got a mail from, I'm like, what's this? For this Lagos, who is this one that sent me this kind of message? I didn't take it serious. This is what it looks like. Look at this. Look at this. I thought it was like a scammer or something. So this is what the box looks like. It's so beautiful, guys. Like so beautiful. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. I'm so cheesy, guys. I've screamed a lot. This is what it looks like. Right now, I am so excited. Who says your dreams can't come true? Like, that's just the state I am right now. Let's open it together. I've actually never tried any Korean skincare product before. This is their glow serum. It's filled with propolis and niacinamide. This is what it looks like. The Giffen Moist Sun Serum. I'm excited to see how this will look on my dark skin. This is what this looks like. This is an SPF 50, okay, sunscreen, and I'm so excited. You guys should just watch out for a detailed review. Like, I don't have any other thing. I just need to scream, stay in my room, scream and scream. I'm so excited, and I'm so happy to be working with a Beauty of Joseon. Follow for more so you guys will see a proper review on this product. Okay, bye.